Meet the Hecare Cullinan folding mobility scooter. Compact, powerful, and built for everyday freedom. Designed by Hecare, the Cullinan delivers smooth, quiet performance you can rely on. Powered by a high-quality 180-watt brushless motor, it offers efficient and dependable everyday driving. The 12-amp lithium battery is fully removable, making the scooter light to handle and easier to charge. Enjoy a maximum range of up to 14 miles, perfect for shopping, days out, and everyday use. The Cullinan folds quickly and effortlessly when you're ready to store and transport it. Weighing just 20 kilograms without the battery, it's easy to lift and fits neatly into most car boots. Strong and stable, the Cullinan supports a maximum user weight of 150 kilograms. The Hecare Cullinan folding mobility scooter. Lightweight, travel ready, built to last. Order today and move with confidence.